In this video, I'll show you how to create a FAQ page with Claude AI. This is a quick way to generate frequently asked questions and answers for a website or product. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a FAQ page. For example, I might type, "Create a FAQ page for an online fitness coaching service." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a list of common questions and answers related to the topic. If I want more specific results, I can add details in the prompt, such as the type of business, services offered, or target audience. For example, I might type, "Create a FAQ page for a beginner-friendly fitness coaching website." Claude can also format the content in a clear FAQ structure, making it easier to copy and use on a website. Once the FAQ page is generated, I can copy the content and add it to my website or documentation. And that's it, I've successfully created a FAQ page using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.